Hi, today we're gonna cook ginger shrimp fried rice. Then we use about half a pound of medium-sized shrimp, 12 pieces. Okay. Then we also cook with some green peas, green onion, chop up gingers, and red onion, and some carrots. Okay. Then okay, so we're ready. So first we have to turn on the heat. We're gonna put some oil in the pan. See. We gotta cook some egg first, okay? And I'm gonna use around, I think I use 3 eggs, okay? Then you can use 1 egg or 2 eggs, yeah, depend on how you want it. See. Here, 1 egg. 3 eggs. So we're gonna put some salt in it, a little bit salt. I like it big pieces, the egg inside the fried rice. So some people want it real fine. Either sometimes they want to make it with the rice together, so you don't see the eggs. You know. But I like to see the eggs, big pieces. Okay, then we're gonna dump that out here. And now we're gonna cook the shrimp. You have to kind of watch it because you don't want to burn them, and they only take a few minutes to cook it, you know, until they change color, and that's pretty much done. Okay, and that's all done. This time we're going to put some the vegetable in it, like onions and carrots and gingers in it, to kind of heat it, to kind of cook it a little bit. See? It's real easy to cook, real fast. We kind of cook food, all this stuff a little bit, and don't take too long. You don't want to overcook them because you don't want to burn them, you know. Put the onions into it. Okay. They pretty much cook. Okay, then we're gonna put the green peas in it. And we're going to put the rice. This already cooked, you know. So you have to cook this ahead of time. You know. Then this is about around 2 portions, 2 orders. And now you're going to put that in there, you know, but depending on how much you want to cook the rice, you know. how much you need, for how many people. But this is for 2 orders. So now we add everything into it, like the eggs. Add into it, so you got more ingredient into it. And now you're gonna put the shrimp into it too. See, they don't, right now you can see them rounding up pretty good. So right now you wanna shut off, turn it low the heat. And also now you're gonna put some soy sauce in it, just a little bit, just like that. You can use light soy sauce, or you can use a regular soy sauce. Some people use light soy sauce, the lighter color one, or the dark color one, the dark soy sauce. Depends on how you like it. And also you can put some oyster sauce in there. You just sprinkle some of them in it. You don't need to be too much. After you put the soy sauce and the oyster sauce in it, and you better get ready, because if you keep cooking it too long, they will burn. So you turn over the heat, and also it's pretty much ready. See, and you just make them. Blend them all together, kind of mix them up pretty good. And now after that, you're gonna put the last thing into it is the white pepper, or you can use a black pepper too. So you just sprinkle some of them into it. I think that's about it. Depending on how you like them. If you like them real strong, you can use more white pepper, or because the ginger is already add to the spicy flavor into it. The ginger. Okay, then we're gonna sprinkle some more green onions on it. If you want it spicy, or you can sprinkle some of the ground red pepper into it. Just a little bit, depending on how you can take it. See, real little bit. Okay. See, I think that's it. Okay. Then we're going to scoop them up. Okay, this is spicy ginger shrimp fried rice.